You hear that noise? It's like an airplane. That's this fan, this radiator fan. These fans in the Trailblazer and the Envoy, when they go bad, it's just real high, real high. Will not cause you to overheat, but it don't supposed to sound that loud and to mess up. That you might think is your throttle body. You know, you might think is the transmission, but no, it's the fan. It causes you to burn more gas. That's why I'm on E. I mean, I put $20 in here in a day and it's gone. It causes the engine light to come on. Not all the time, but yeah, and it's not cool. And they always go bad. You hear it? You don't supposed to hear it too much like that inside the vehicle.